Hi guys, and welcome to another color tutorial. I'm sorry that I lost a couple of days. I have been coloring and recording, but because of some issues with my medications, I've been really sick, and editing videos and doing voiceovers haven't really been a thing that I wanted to do. So, but I'm back and I should be getting all of my coloring videos edited and up for you. Today I have another cute little bear from Town Bear. He's in his little car, and today I'm coloring it pink because pink cars are awesome. I'm starting off and coloring his body or his jacket grey. I'm also adding a little bit of grey to a couple of details on the car. I'm using the N greys because I love my N greys. I love all the greys. I kind of like neutrals, they're my favorite. But anyhow, so I'm using N0, N2 and N4 for all the grey parts. Then I went in and used some light yellows, Y00 and Y11 for the light. And then I'm gonna go in with some black and some neutral greys for the tires. As you know, these are my real-time coloring videos. I'm doing these for the 30-day coloring challenge by Kathy over at the Daily Marker. And I was able to join in last time around and did all 30 days. So today this time around I thought I'd kick it up, make it a little bit harder, and put in videos for all of my coloring. So not only photos but also videos. So for my bear, when I'm starting to color on him, a lot of these animals have kind of light bellies and snouts, and then a darker fur on the outside. So I've chosen to make a very simple 3-color blend on him, both on the mouth part and also on him. So the mouth has the lighter of the E50s, and the kind of body has the darker of the E50s. I'm trying to keep quite simple color combinations for this challenge, both because I want to be able to use all of these images kind of interchangeable on some cards afterwards, but also because I want to show you that you don't need to have all the colors, even though I'm a collector, so I have all the colors and I do use them, especially in my longer coloring videos, or for my cards with bigger images. I love these kind of small images that you can whip up in a couple of minutes. I think after removing the pen changes, this video is about 8 minutes. So yeah, that's about the time it took to color it. And sorry about my voice, kind of on the heels of this medication issue. Basically, I'm treated with cortisone, and my doctors didn't give me a new prescription when they were supposed to, so I had to be off them for a couple of days. And when you've been eating cortisone as long as I have, you get pretty sick from it, and also your immune system. My immune system is damaged. This is why I'm eating cortisone, and I got a pretty bad cold now on the heels of it. But I do have the treatment and everything, so everything is going to be fine. I'm feeling much better, so it's not a problem. But just so you know why I disappeared. After coloring the bear, I used some kind of peachy oranges, some YRs for the inner side of his ears, and then I'm going to color the car pink. So I'm using the RVs. These were my absolute favorites when I started out. I think they were one of the first ones I got. I'm not 100% sure about this, but I think so. I had a period when everything was RVs. And I do actually have a couple of cards coming up later this month and maybe next month. They're actually using the RVs also in kind of bigger projects and full cards. I really like them. They have a very, very bright pink, but the same color as my hair actually, if we're gonna be honest. I wasn't a pink girl when I grew up at all. Pink wasn't my thing. And then I turned 30 and I decided to color my hair pink because no one could tell me not to anymore because I was an adult. Yeah, that's how I felt. I think it was kind of a mid-age thing, but I really loved it, so keeping it. I'm feeling very comfortable in it. It's part of me now. Anyhow, I'm adding some shadows and I'm being a little bit kind of liberal in where I put the darker colors. I want this image to kind of have the lighter area in the middle, not only for the light to come there, but also so your eye is pulled there. So probably a car wouldn't be, I haven't built up a dimension that a car would look like, but he looks a little bit curvy to me, this car, now when I colored it. But it's kind of cute, so I don't mind. But that was all of the coloring part. Now we're gonna add some details because this is going to be a sparkly pink car because glitter, we all love glitter, but this is a way to add sparkles without adding glitter. Basically being able to make a glittery card without having to worry about people being allergic or things falling off. So this is a gel pen. It's a metallic gel pen by Jelly Roll. I'm using a darker pink that sort of is just a little bit darker than my darkest shade. And then I'm putting small dots, more of them in the darker areas and then just a few in the lighter areas. Then I'm going in with a glitter pen. Again, you can use another Jelly Roll or any kind of glitter or metallic yellow pens. They shouldn't in any shape or form lose any kind of glitter or anything. I went in with that for the lighter color just to add more of those kind of sparkle effects. Basically, I'm first coloring in the things that are in shadow, and now I'm coloring in what is kind of the glimmer. So I'm adding a lot of white dots. A few things you want to think about: you don't want them to be any kind of regular patterns. You want them to be irregular, and add a lot of white dots where it's lightest and just a few to just add some extra glitter. And for the last part, I'm adding these little four-pronged stars, trying to actually paint over a couple of the black lines just to make them look like they're shining a little bit extra. And that is the whole technique. So yeah, I hope you liked my video. If you do, please thumbs it up. If you have any questions, just comment down below, and down below you find all the details. You also find a link to my blog, and on my blog you have all of the details also linked in these clickable things. And you can also subscribe to my blog by email if you want to, as then you can get all my cards and not just my videos. But if you want to get my videos and isn't subscribed yet, just hit that subscribe button. There's a notification bell somewhere that you can point also if you want to be notified every time I post a video. And for all of you who already are subscribed and have liked, thank you so much. It means a lot to me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you later. Bye!